Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in a triangle ABC, D is a point on AB such that AB equals to 4AD and E is a point on AC such that AC equals to 4AE. Prove that BC equals to 4ED. Here, from the given information, we can draw a triangle ABC with D and E are the points on AC. Join this D. Given D and E are the points on the side AB and AC of triangle ABC respectively. Now join DE. Here AB is given as 4AD and AC is given as 4AE. Or we can write this as AD equals to 1 by 4AB and AE equals to 1 by 4 AC. Now here we need to prove that triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar, where A is common in both the triangle ADE and ABC. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can take AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC. Okay? Then AD upon AB equals to AE upon AC equals to ED upon BC. Suppose this is 1. So, by side angle side criteria, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. As AD upon AB is 1 by 4 and AE upon AC equals to 1 by 4. So on comparing 1, 2 and 3, on comparing 1, 2 and 3, we get ED upon BC equals to 1 by 4. Hence, BC equals to 4 ED.